Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I want to talk about Near Protocol. And I want to be clear about something that I could talk about the fundamentals, but I want to look at this from a technical analysis standpoint. And this video is for short and medium term, not for long term. I am very bullish on Near long term. There are other videos that you could watch that will talk about the fundamentals, all of that. But specifically for the short term, there is something that caught my eye, and I want to talk about where are we and where can we go with Near. And you might have already seen the thumbnail on the video, so spoiler alert, I think Near could go to $28 short term. So let's talk about why that's the case. I mean, first of all, we need to talk about Bitcoin, because here is my general thesis. Bitcoin is on the positive side of its bull market support band. If we are above the bull market support band, here's what I believe: alts can and will do very well when Bitcoin is above the 21-week EMA, the 20-week SMA. We saw that last week with Zilliqa. We've seen Luna going crazy. We've seen Waves. Waves hit a key level, a key new all-time high level of resistance, has gone down pretty heavily since then, but it went sharp. It went parabolic quickly. And do I think that Near will do something similar? Well, I don't think it's going to be as quick as Waves, but Waves is a template for, and Luna is also a template for what I think is going to happen with Near. So let's start out with Waves, because this is basically what I'm expecting. I drew a fib from Waves' previous all-time high to its bottom after the all-time high, and we saw a clear rejection at the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level at $63.45. And because it rose so sharply to that level, it's gone in a free fall ever since then. If that was a slower rise, it would have been a slower fall. But because we saw such a quick rise to that key level, we have seen that turn into resistance and a sharp dump since then. This is, in my opinion, the end result for Near. And I believe that we are, so the Near's all-time high is at $20, and the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level is at a little over $28. I believe that that is the end result, something similar to Waves, but not as quickly. That happened over a matter of days, not the same for Near. And so Luna is a little bit shorter of a term of what I'm seeing potentially happen for Near as well. So looking at Luna, we see this beautiful cup and handle pattern, just a clear cup and handle breakthrough. Where do I think Luna is going? I think it's going to go to this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Now, I don't think the rejection is going to be as hard for Luna as it was for Waves. I don't think that immediately we're going to go back down to something like $70, but potentially $141. And then, I don't know, maybe move down to 120 or something before potentially, again, a move to higher heights. We'll see. We did see this already happen with Luna. So I'm going to draw another fib chart here from the previous all-time high before going up above $100 down to this bottom right here, and you can see previous all-time high. Where's that 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level? Well, it is at the old all-time high of $102 and $105. It wicked above that 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level and then went right back down. I'm expecting something similar to happen for Luna, but medium term. So here, let me just pull up the Near chart and we'll compare it to Luna real quick. So Near is it hit an all-time high, $20.63, 63.8 cents or so, and then it dumped pretty hard, and now it's on its way back up, and it's gotten a rejection at the 786 fib, which is just for some reason for a lot of altcoins, the 786 is a big rejection level before moving to new all-time highs. For Bitcoin, it's more like the 702 or the 618. For a lot of smaller cap cryptos, it's the 786. And we're seeing that with Near right now. Compare that to Waves. All-time high in May, rejection at the 786, rejection at the 786, and then a lot of struggle at the 786 before breaking into that up all the way up to the 1.618. So rejection not quite down to the 618, rejection at the 786, a little bit down, but not all the way down to the 618 before breaking through to a new all-time high to that 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which was such a clear rejection level. I think something similar could be happening with Luna right now. Rejection at the 786, not quite the same thing. I don't think it's going to take several months to play out. It could, especially if Bitcoin turns bearish, if it goes below its bull market support band, like I was talking about. It could take several months for this to happen, but as long as Bitcoin is above the bull market support band, that frees up an opportunity for NEAR to hopefully go back up to the 786, break through it, and then reach new highs. And what kind of new highs? Well, compare it to Luna again. Cup and handle. So reach that all-time high for the second time, get rejected there, go back down even below the 786 fib, but then move on and break through cup and handle pattern. I'm thinking that something similar might happen for NEAR, where we finally break through the 786, give it a few days or a couple weeks or something like that, reach a new all-time high, get rejected there, cup and handle pattern, and then a move up to the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, where I believe there will be a rejection, and that is $28.81. And so that is my thought. Looking at patterns, 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level isn't just a thing for waves or for NEAR or for Luna. This is just a major psychological level that this is where some people will start to, a lot of people, maybe most people will take profits. That is what they eyed with waves. They eyed that level and they were like, all right, we're out, it's over. And that might be what they're eyeing with Luna, except with Luna, because Luna is a top 5 crypto, top 5 at least non-stablecoin crypto. I don't think it's going to be quite like that. But something like NEAR, I could see NEAR doing something like that, where we see a rise to this 1.618 fib level and then a hard rejection there, maybe back below its previous all-time high. And again, let me be clear. All of this depends on Bitcoin being above the bull market support band. And if we can see Bitcoin reach through to new levels, go above the 200-day simple moving average, the 0.5 fib, the 618, getting up to those levels, then yeah, if Bitcoin got up to $55,000, I would expect very much so a $28 NEAR. And will that happen? Yeah, I believe short term, medium term, something like that, between now and maybe the end of May, that Bitcoin would get to the 50s, to maybe the mid 50s, and that we would see NEAR at $28 or so. You know, I have a long open. I am currently down a little bit on that long. I don't really care, because I do believe, again, Bitcoin's going to hold its bull market support band, and we are going to move higher for the short term. And we'll see about medium and long term. So that is all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful rest of your week. I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.